happens just not with only recruitment, not with only hiring. So you have to delegate control. You require to delegate decision power. You require to delegate decision power. You require to give complete responsibility, ownership. Then only they are going to own the thing they are going to do with their full-fledged way. But instead of that, each and everything you have to intimate me. Each and every decision I require to take. If you are trying to do micromanagement, it is the big bottleneck for your growth. Remember this one. Trust the people. Delegate decision power. Delegate ownership. Then only the things are going to be happened. So in our expected style, growth is also up to the market. But most of the things are, if I delegate completely for them, if they are not going to do, then customer may feel. That's why every area I have to involve. Customer may be impacted. Every area I have to involve. This mindset is there for most of the people. Worst kind of mindset. Worst kind of mindset. Don't delegate. If one time, if they are not up to the mark, at last review. If not up to the mark, correct them. Second time, you are not required to spend much time. Okay, remember. But every step, don't do micromanagement. Let them give. Boss, this is the final output I require. Final outcome I'm expecting. So, deadline is this Sunday evening, 5 o'clock. That's it. Then they will do that. At last, come up with that. Suppose that person is not up to the mark, is not doing well, is not respecting deadlines. Remove the bloody who. Better to assign to the right who. 1 or 2 days you may struggle, but later automatically what will happen? A correct person will sit in the correct position.